Good afternoon, everybody. Getting some pretty sweet things rolling off the truck here lately. I'm definitely digging them. It's the thing I've been most excited about are these 2025 Ram 1500s. We started getting the Bighorns and Laramies in. These have the new Hurricane Inline-6 twin turbo. Check these puppies out. So we've got a white one, we've got black, and we've got a gray one, I think, as well. They're all the ones that have the Hurricane in them. I think that's a face. Hold on, there we go. All the ones that have the Hurricane are Laramies. So I've got like this black one. Now these are sport appearances, which I gotta say, they're kind of refreshing. Obviously, we've all seen night editions for a long time. There's a night edition sitting right next to it. That's actually a Bighorn, which, holy smokes, the Bighorn looks gorgeous now. I think they just made that thing look really upscale. That's a night. This is a sport. As you can see, it's got the chrome. A little bit of chrome in the headlight, a little bit on the grill, two-tone on the wheels. But it's nice to see something a little bit different. I always get sick of seeing the same thing over and over again. So this is nice and refreshing. A little bit more classy. Got a little bit different taste. But yeah, these things are rolling in. I've already got ways to get, upwards of 10% off on some of these trucks, and they're 2025s, just because I like making deals. But yeah, white, black, gray, got all the main ones, and holy smokes, the Hurricane will absolutely decimate a HEMI V8 in a drag race. I accidentally gave it a little bit too much pedal yesterday, and I could not believe how much power it has. But if you guys are after one of these or curious what they go for, shoot me a message. I'm happy to work up some stuff so you can see what they're all about. Thanks. Talk to you soon.